If YouTube says create playlists, please don't sleep on that. Create a playlist. It's very important. If they tell you to do a thing, it's basically because they know that it's going to be beneficial to you. So please create a playlist right now. I'm going to be telling you how to do that before the end of this video. But one of the reasons that YouTube is actually telling us to do this is because they want people to be able to view our videos one after the other. I know you do not know that. So you might think, even if I don't do that, this and this, it's very important. They asked you to do that. One of the reasons I really love this space called YouTube is because no knowledge is hidden. Everything YouTube wants you to do, they tell you. All right. Whatever thing that will help your channel to grow easily and also to get monetized, they will always tell you beforehand. Yes, I understand that some of us do not really have the time to go through all those bulk of knowledge. That is why people like myself have made ourselves available to study and come out here to make videos to help you and to make the journey of your growth easy and smooth. Anyway, let me add that. All right. If this is your first time here, hi, my name is Eno, and you're welcome to Let's Learn with Eno. In this space, we learn how to grow the right audience. Please, keyword, the right audience. Okay, because you might be able to gather audience. Some of you will go ahead and tell your friends to subscribe and all of that. But one disadvantage is that they might not watch your video. Your videos might not be the kind of videos that they really want, so they will not spend time really watching your video. So what we do here is we create the right audience who will be loyal to watch your videos again and again. And another thing that we do is to make you get easily monetized. Because if you have the right audience, your audience are going to stay to watch your videos. And as they watch your videos, your watch hour increases. And as it increases, YouTube begins to notice, the algorithm begins to notice that this person is in for business. And guess what? They'll begin to push your videos. So one of the things that is going to help you right now is creating a playlist. All right. Amidst every other thing that you're going to be doing, create a playlist. All right. So in this space, one thing that we also do is as small YouTubers, we go into the comment section and we support each other the right way. Please, I'm hitting the word the right way. Okay. I'm clearly saying this, supporting each other the right way. Okay. So after that has been said and understood, I believe you now understand why you need to create a playlist. So without further ado, let's just go right into the video. But please, you must follow this process, or you must follow every step the way I did it. You must follow every step the way I did it. Don't try to do it your way. The reason I'm actually saying this is in between the video, I know some of you already have YouTube Studio, but there are some times that you do not need to go to the app. You need to go through the Chrome browser, especially for those using their phones, because that is where you will have a detailed space or a detailed you all the detailed functions for you to carry out what you need to do. All right. So please, whatever thing I tell you to do, just follow every single step, and even subsequent videos that I'm going to be making, follow all the steps, each of them, so that you can get the positive results. And if you have any question concerning this video or making this playlist, please, you can ask me in the comment section, and I'm going to answer you speedily. All right. So let's just go right into the video. No more wasting time. Open your Chrome browser, then type in youtubestudio.com. So this is the one I have. I just click it. Then you see this YouTube Studio, the bigger alphabet. Press for long. Then open a new tab. Then you go to the top right where you have new tabs opened. Just click it and select the last one, which is this one. And you continue in Studio. Your YouTube Studio dashboard will be open. Then you see the three lines. The three lines are by the left, at the top left. Just click content. When you click content, you see that all your contents are being itemized. So what you do is you click the one you want. Like I'll click this one, then I'll just scroll down to add, I'll just scroll down to add to playlist. So you see, when I came to playlist, it says no playlist. So what do? I just create playlist. So you see new playlist, new podcast, new course. So I'll click new playlist. Then I can give it a title. Alright. So I'll just type in what the playlist should contain or what it should entail. So let me just say YouTube growth. Then you can put a description, just any description. So in here I can just say um, growing on YouTube is possible and can be acquired through detailed, or let me just say very detailed, very detailed learning. This space allows you, or let me just say, this space opens you up to the possibilities. So I'll stop there. So you can decide if you want to make the playlist public or you want to, what have I clicked? If you want to make it public or not, right? So mine, you can see public, private, unlisted. So I want mine to be public. Alright, so we have date published. That's the way I want to select it from the I'm going to be using the date, so whoever is checking my playlist, the most recent is what the person will be seeing. Alright, you can decide to pick most popular. Okay, so most popular is also very good because to make people watch your best videos first. But for now, just go with the most recent because I want people to see. Um, sorry, I'm going with date published because I want people to see my very recent video. That's why I picked newest. Alright, so I'll pick language and of course I'll be using English. Which of the English should I use? I'll use United States. Okay, then I'll create. You can create as many playlists as you want. And I really hope that this video was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe so you can get more of this. And also like this video if you know it has been helpful. Let me know how it has helped you in the comment section, or if you're going to be putting it into practice. Thank you. Bye.